Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to play your PS5 games on your Android phone. And I'm using Remote Play, and this actually works quite well now. You can see I have all the different controls. I have a microphone. I can flip it horizontally here to get the widescreen on there. Then also I have more options in the bottom left. So this is dependent on your internet at your house. If it's very good, this should be a good setup here for you, and there won't be too much input lag or latency. So if you want to go ahead and just use this when you're watching TV or something like that, you can. And then to get this, so let's just go on over to the App Store on my phone, and we want to get two different apps. We want to get PlayStation Remote Play, just download that. Then also get the PlayStation app right here. This is probably the most important one to have, and then you can prompt to download the other one. So let's open this up now, PlayStation app. And then we can go back under the screen. Now on the main page here, this is what we're going to see. We want to go to settings and select this. And then scroll on down and just go to pair console with app. And then just select your console. So I'm using this one right here. Good. And then just make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi internet as your PlayStation, and it should detect it. And once it finds the PlayStation and you're registered, you can use your 5G connection, and it should find it in the future. Then let's go over to this option, Game Library, and then start it up using the game. So let's go to Call of Duty. And we're going to have two different options. Well, this one says download a console. So I think that's the beta or something. Let's just go to Splitgate. And then under here it says play on console. So I can start this up remotely and turn on my PS5 by going to play on console. Otherwise, if I go to play using Remote Play right here and tap this, it should just automatically find it and connect to it. Now, if you do have one of those login passcodes, for some reason with the most recent update, it doesn't allow me to connect. In the past, it would give me an option on the screen where I have to press my passcode in, and then it would allow me to log in. But right now, it seems like it only works if you deactivate your password, or you activate your password and then go to your phone and then enable Remote Play. So if you are not connecting, that might be a reason why. Now is checking the network. It seems like the second or third time you connect, it usually connects much quicker in the future. And then you have access to all your games, and it looks like I started up a game here. I think Star Wars, maybe? Oh no, that's Splitgate. So I have this starting, and hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.